Good Friday evening, BMWX.com meteorologist Michael Clark. Wrapping up this event tonight, we're going to just kind of show you where the snow is going to, when it's going to end here as we go throughout the next couple hours. I think what we're looking at here to give you a visual is the snow is ending here right at probably around 8 p.m. Central Time. You're probably coming to an end here across Lafayette, Crawfordsville. You're looking at that 9 to 10 p.m. time frame, and then you're getting a little bit further east towards the eastern half of the state here. You're probably looking at that 10 to 11 p.m. time frame, and then continuing to work off to the east here by midnight. So kind of to give you the idea of how this thing is going to progress, the backside of this, if you want to start scheduling, getting out there and starting to schedule clearing lots and plowing and things like that, you've got until about 6 or 7 o'clock in the morning before the wind's going to pick up. All right, you look here again at the radar loop this evening, and what you can see is the back edge of this coming across Illinois. There are a little bit of snow showers behind it, and I think there could continue to be some light, fluffy snow showers even behind this main wave. So don't be surprised to see that throughout the evening as you're out clearing them lots. All right, now this is a look at forecast radar product, and again, this is here by 10 p.m. and here's 11. But you see these light residual snow showers here that the model is just trying to pick up on going throughout the area. So, an additional coating in spots, especially south and west of Indy, is on the table. Here across south central Illinois, southwest Indiana, there may be an additional burst of snow that can develop here into the overnight hours. And as we get out into tomorrow morning, I don't see any forcing or lifting mechanisms, any rising air, I don't think, in the morning. For additional snow showers. The only thing I see happening tomorrow morning, once again, we've talked about this all last few days, wind gusts from the northwest to 30 miles per hour. All right, and then you're looking at temperatures as we get into that same time frame. You're looking at temperatures here that are, getting into the single digits. All right, so going forward, as this event wraps up. Okay, snowfall forecast, everything there pretty much still on board. We had officially 2 inches in Indianapolis. Heavier amounts, obviously, off to the north. 5 inches in Frankfort, 4 inches in Madison County, things like that. Now, going forward here with this event, as we get into Saturday night, we got to watch another piece of energy coming down. And I think what's going to happen is this could be a pretty impressive event Saturday night into Sunday morning for a quick round of 1 inch of snow across central Illinois, central Indiana, kind of that central portion here of the forecast area. I think there's a potential for some snow to come down. And then Sunday night, behind that, snow squalls with this upper level energy coming through and the Arctic front coming through. I think that's certainly a possibility. Okay, so we will have to keep an eye on that. Now we look at the GFS computer model, and we can see this wave coming through Sunday morning and through about lunchtime on Sunday. All right, so the pre-dawn hours. We think right now we're kind of focusing on this area right here for up to an inch of snow in the early morning hours of Sunday. And then as we get behind that, I think a few snow squalls are possible as the very cold air rushes in. You have to keep in mind that these are surface temperature forecasts Sunday morning. You throw in any moisture at all, even 2 or 3/100ths of an inch of moisture, then you are looking at easily an inch of snow with these kind of temperatures. 35, 40 to 1 ratio. Incredibly, it's just pure powder, really is what it is. All right. Then as this moves out, it's just where it gets ridiculously cold. Actual air temperatures Monday morning, air temperatures here, and out to Tuesday morning, just dangerously cold. All right. Looking at the GFS model in terms of an idea for snowfall, this is only including the Sunday morning event. Right, looking around an inch of snow, and I think this has a pretty good handle on this. And then we'll look here to the NAM computer model for just a little bit different of opinion real quick. And that's what it has. It's a little bit further north, but this run here actually showing isolated 1.5 inch amounts. So I do think there's another round of accumulating snow on the table here Sunday morning. Now behind this is where it gets ridiculous. This is the wind chill forecast Sunday morning. Your wind chills are minus 20 to minus 25 degrees. This is Monday morning, minus 20 to 25. Look at this. It's Tuesday morning, minus 30. All right, and it just continues to get cold. The afternoon model runs out into next week, just to give you a brief rundown. I do have somewhat of another storm system moving in. We'll see if that can pan out, but that would be closer to the 6th through the 9th of January. Do see another potential for accumulating snow. If you guys have any questions on how this event is wrapping up, I highly advise you reach out, shoot a text, shoot an email, let us know. That's how we see this event wrapping up and the next one coming in tomorrow. If you have any questions, reach out. Have a great evening. Stay warm. We'll talk to you soon.